see it right over here. Yep. Okay. Tell me when to cast. Oh shit. Yeah. Oh my god, this is awesome. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Woo! Ah! Fuck! That's alright, that's my fault. Holy shit, that was awesome. That was awesome. That was so cool watching him come eat it. Yeah, last time at Long Key we couldn't see him, yeah. Oh my god, that was awesome. That was really cool. Oh shit. He was really coming after that thing too. Oh my god, that was cool. Set it, okay. I'm not gonna break this line probably, it's pretty heavy. Yeah. That was fucking cool. That made my day right there. That made my day right there.